We are in Rapanui. Hi, we are J&C Food Trackers and we are at Rapanui to come for these goodies. So we went to Rapanui and we asked for ice cream. We have 3 flavors here, and in any heladeria, in any ice cream shop in Argentina, you can ask for takeaway ice cream like this. You can ask for a pot of 1 kilo, half a kilo, or a quarter. Of course, you can ask for a cucurucho, I don't know how to say that, in a cone, yes. A little, it's not a cup, a little cup. Of course, you have that as in any other part of the world, but you can also ask for this. This is a quarter. This is a pot of ice cream of a quarter. It's a little dog walking by. And you can ask for up to 3 flavors. I think you can ask for more, but you wouldn't get much of every flavor if you ask more flavors than 3. So we already ate some. You get it's filled to the top. So it comes filled to the top, but we already ate some of these 3 flavors. I asked for tiramisu, marquise, and lemon pie. And as you can see, you can eat from the pot. You can serve it at home in more beautiful kitchenware that you have, crystalware, whatever. But it's something common here in Argentina, that we buy ice cream in large quantities. This is just for one. We used to eat a quarter just for one when it's very hot. But you can also ask for as many kilos as you want to take away. So if you come to Buenos Aires, try Rapanui ice cream.